my last one is a Little Debbie classic, and that is your
I
Little
love
Debbie.
Little Debbie.
Your classic.
One of the
Debbie
greatest
cake.
goat snacks ever.
Oh my god. It's light. It's tender.
You son of a bitch, Little Debbie.
Little Debbie, you son of a bitch, you did it again. Christmas tree cakes, 9.5 out of
10. How are you? Thanks for coming.
How you doing? Thanks for showing up.